Left before the sun on a Thursday dawn, Cairns bound and Narita drawn. Tokyo lights for a one-night blur, jet-lag dreams in a neon stir. Bullet train flying at 260 through frozen fields in a silver glow. Myoko waiting and falling white, snow like silence in the night. Leaving bushy at the gate, vans packed heavy, running late. Boards and boots and winter breath, record snow from the sky beneath. 10 days of white, 10 days of free. Tree runs deep in the powder sea. Brothers in the falling sky, cold air burning in our lungs so high. From our eye lines to Cortina light, we chase that storm through day and night. If this is heaven, let it snow. 10 days of white, let it go. 10 days away, let it go. Himitsu house with boots by the door, snow still falling more and more. Mount Myoko, I ride first, Manos and stick in the drift submerged. Chain rocking speed records down the face, cutting fresh lines with fearless pace. Stick nailing runs, then nailing his head, laughing it off in the powder bed. Ben showed us how it's truly done. Through trees and powder, he just flowed on. Manos deep where the drifts run wide. Zoltan easing in for the ride. Ikino Tara, Sugino Hara glide. Wide open groomer side by side. Fresh each morning, soft and deep. The kind of snow you dream in sleep. 10 days of white, 10 days of free. Tree runs threading through memory. Cold snow rising with every turn. Powder lessons we had to learn. From our eye back to our eye again. Storm clouds rolling over men. If this is living, let it show. 10 days of white in the afterglow. 10 days of white, let it go. Onsen steam in the midnight air. No boards, no ego, just skin laid bare. Hot water, silent snow outside. Then leaf would lead our hungry stride. Awful raw horse, chicken hearts. Whiskey warm and frozen parts. Supermarket oysters sealed to fade. Manos down for 2-day wait. Piranhas staring from a tank of glass. Karaoke legends none could surpass. Snowboarders singing like stadium kings. Bad notes flying on broken wings. Bad notes flying on broken wings. Whoa, that love and feeling. Himitsu done, Hakuba bound, moment chalet. Breakfast round on sausages, eggs gone gray. Still we wrote it off each day. Our taglines and Sugaki waits, watching storm clouds test our fates. Then Cortina answered the call, soft white falling overall. Open slopes and powder spray, last day magic to seal the stay. 10 days gone in a frozen blink. Days of white, 10 days of free. Brothers carved in memory. From Tokyo lights to mountain glow, we chased the storm where cold winds blow. Trains and vans and one wrong flight. Zoltan stayed an extra night. If time could drift like falling snow. 10 days of white. We never go.